Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I got a 2005 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic that I want to show you. This bike comes with a twin cam 88 5-speed transmission. It's got the aluminum wagon wheel spoke rims on it, lower leg fairings, got a set of highway pegs added to it, upgraded windshield, set of Kuryakin hand grips, a huge seat. The thing looks like a freeway sofa. It's got a tear in it right here. You might want to see about getting that fixed. It's a Harley Davidson seat. It's called the Air seat. The thing's really comfortable. Passenger grab bars. Upgraded foot pegs here. These adjustable pegs makes it pretty comfortable for your rider. Different adjustments there. It had this little medallion, this Harley Davidson motorcycles medallion, glued onto the tank, and we didn't try to take that off. Just doesn't look too shabby on there. But if you want to take that off, I'm not real sure what kind of glue that is, but we just didn't want to risk it. Have lower leg fairings with storage in there. Wind deflectors up front here. You see it's got a little oxidation on these lower fork legs. A pretty decent tire on the front. Vivid black with a silver trim stripe. Got a few signs of wear on the bag lids there. (2005). A few little marks on this one across the top here. The bike runs out real good. It's got good miles on it. Chrome luggage rack. Got AM FM CD player, full onboard electronics from the rider to the passenger, electronic cruise control, full instrumentation, and it's only got 16,281 miles. Very good miles on this bike. Fires right off. Runs like a sewing machine. No smoke, no engine noise. Factory exhausts. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. This one qualifies for some good financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.